So these are my final thoughts. There's no writing here, so just a pure pouch. It's really packed nicely, securely. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Roche. Welcome to beautymagz. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is a first impression on these makeup brushes that I received in the mail. So my opinions and whatever I can say to this product is my own. I am thankful that this was sent to me, and today we're going to do a review. So this is going to be a first impression. In here I have a pouch. The pouch is really good. It's not thick. It's not leather. The seam, it does have some imperfections in here. This cost around $8.99. I'll put the name of the company down below. I'm not paid to create this video, so this is just my saying thanks to them for sending me these makeup brushes. What I do love about this is this like this brush holder right here, this plastic thing. This is really good though. Buying in a regular store, they don't have this kind of protection to the brush, even though it's a little bit cheaper. But so I do love this thought that they put into it. This is a wood. Okay, the handle is plastic. Okay, the bristle, this is I'm not so sure. It's a bit synthetic, but I think there is a mixture to this one. It is very soft in my opinion, and it has some streaks in here though. You can see some imperfections in this brush. It's 18 brushes and I already take it off from their plastic. So this is fresh. The smell, no, it's just have the factory smell. It's not strong, it's not too chemically, so it's good. This one is very mild. It's a little bit of wood scented. 5 face brushes, and all these eye brushes right here. This comes with these 2 sponge brushes, which I'm not really a fan of. We have the eyebrow brush for mascara and stuff like that. I don't really have much of a purpose for this brush. We got a spoolie, we got an angle brush, we got a eyeliner brush, we got a concealer and a flat definer, and this is a lip brush. And this is a bullet crease. Oh, it's a bullet smudger, but this is a sponge. I'm not really fan of sponge blender. I don't really like it. It's a here. It's good for like blending here. I'm not a fan of, but we'll see. And then we got another flat. This is flat brush, which is good for putting on your lid color. This is good. Blending brush here, and then the last one is another, oh, it's another lip brush again. It's not a lip brush, but this one is a little bit square, so it means it could use for your like wing liner probably here for that purpose. My thoughts for this set, they should eliminate all the sponges. I think they can only need one. I think they need to have like more blending brushes. Look at that, guys. I don't know how we're able to blend with all these things. You ever know? As a beginner, it's lacking for me. So we'll use this, the stippling brush. It's very tiny. It's not compact. It's very soft. So I don't know how it can handle. See, if you stipple it, the brush just slide right to it. I wish it is more dense. It doesn't leave a streak on the face. very tiny, guys. Oh my. But it's very precise. If you want that precision, it's good like that. See here, if you want to do a sharp edge here, cleaning up your eyeshadow. But for product distribution, it's a little bit small. For me, this is just good for detailing, like areas of the shadows that you need to concentrate. And I need my fingers to blend this because it is very tiny. And I got to grab the foundation brush to spread it some more. For a beginner, might be a little bit of challenging if you're not used to handling your brush. First, you're gonna use this little brush right here. Set it under the eye. I like this one. I think I like this. Okay, and then the rest of the face, I will use the bigger one. Okay, so the product is just on top of the brush, so it's good. It doesn't absorb to it. It go directly to your face. Smaller than this, but they have the same design, but only the size is different. The eyeliner is really good. It's very precise. It's very tiny. I deposit the products perfectly evenly, so it's good. I do like the flat definer. Give me a sharp edge, easy to work with. For flat shader brush, this is the only one they have. I'll use it for the brow. It's not fluffy, it's a little bit flat. So you see here, for me this is a crisp brush. You can blend it easily, no problem. It's not streaky or anything like that. And I want to deepen that crease since they don't have any other brush. Same brush. Only concentrating on that crease, it can deposit like that. So easy. It's very nice. So the downside of this set is they don't have a big fluffy brush for blending, and they have other brushes that you can't really make use of. I mean, especially if you are more into detailing like me. It's like a lip brush, right? But the other one is different than the other. So I will try to use the other one as a like detailing for cut crease. Alright, this little brush right here it can do. And it's very soft, so that when you do your curve, it's very easy to do it because it's not stiff. If it's stiff, it's a bit hard, but since this is a little bit softer, so it's good to like do your curves. It's easy to do it, so I think this is good for that. Only a little bit tiny. Cool, perfect, right? Not bad. The thing with sponges is that you really have to stamp when you do your sponges. Get that pigmentation on the eyeshadow, normally, but a little bit golden. Yeah, it's fine, guys. I don't know you guys, but I did use a sponge for a while, so I know how to use it. The thing is with the sponges, it's hard to clean up, so one sponge, I'm gonna throw it. Okay. Not bad, you guys. Not bad. Big blending brush to make sure we have a good blending. No, it's scratchy. If you have sensitive eyes like I do, it's a little bit scratchy for me. It's like sandpaper. Lip brush or inner corner brush or whatever how you call it. Mostly in my inner corner I use a very tiny little brush, and this is good for it for me. So good plus. It is good, guys. Oh wow, it's good. This is the tiniest brush I have, I guess. The bristle is a little bit smaller and I have smaller eyes, so it's better. Hi guys, so now I'm back. This is my eye look. See, I do like it, though in this other eye I did minimal brushes to make it quick, and these brushes can make do. Okay, Okay, now we're gonna do a contour on the face, and I'm using this flat brush to make like a contour. Ooh, look at that, it's very sharp. I'm not really a fan of too very harsh contour. I'll use this one, this powder brush. Yeah, can use it. Just press it like that to give you a little bit of a sharp edge, so you can make use of it. See, that's the thing, they don't have a angled brush, and instead I use a sponges. I know because of the cost, I believe. So here's my final verdict. My favorite brushes out of this bunch. So here it is. I like this big flat fan brush, which is really good for contouring. For my face, it's very easy to work with, so I like that. And the next one is going to be the little eyeliner brush. Yes, I like it. It's very fine if you have small eyelids or small eyes. It's very good. The next is the flat shader brush, as well as the concealer brush, for the purpose that can do my cut crease, as well as it picks up the eyeshadow very nice, and it transfers to the lid very nice. So I like these two brushes. And the rest also is gonna be, I think this is just second emotion. The flat definer brush, the, I don't know, this one, I call this a lip brush, angle brush, and then the smudger. Though the smudger is a little bit scratchy, but this is very good with blending your lower lash line perfectly for me. And I guess I need to wash this, and I think this is good. These are my final thoughts about these makeup brushes, and if you're interested, I will leave a link down below. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and I will see you on my next one.